In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play old school RuneScape. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up old school RuneScape and start playing it nowadays. So you will be able to download the launcher through their official website. So go to oldschool.runescape.com or simply look for OSRS on Google. Now, when you arrive at this page, what I recommend that you do first is you click this option here, Download Old School. You will be redirected one more time to this page where you can download the Jagex launcher. So download this, and this is where you are going to be able to actually install and launch Old School RuneScape. You will also have to sign up for an account, so click on this option afterwards, New User, sign up here, and you will be redirected to this page where you can either create an account or a character. I'm going to assume that you are completely new, so select the first option, New Account, and now follow the instructions on screen. Now, because this contains a lot of personal information, including your email, I'm going to recommend that you do this on your own time. To proceed, once you download the launcher, you will have to go through the installation process. So accept the terms and conditions, select where it is going to be installed, and just go through the process. So I'm just going to do it quickly here to show this. Once it is done, launch the Jagex launcher, and you should see something similar to this. You might have to verify that you are human, and once you are done, you will have access to the games available inside when you log into your account. Now, once you are done with the process of including your email address, signing up for an account, and verifying it through your email, you will have access to both RuneScape and Old School RuneScape. Now, install the game here, and you will be able to have access to OSRS. I just want to make something very clear. For this video, I'm only showing you the process of acquiring the game. I'm not going to give you any specific instructions on how to play and what to do, because I am a newbie myself, and I just wanted to highlight how you can acquire the game nowadays. I hope I was able to help you on how to play OSRS. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.